Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to automate recurring tasks in Notion in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking New Database in the sidebar, which opens a new database page in Table View with an empty table ready to configure. Click the New button at the top of the database to open the Templates menu, showing options to create or manage entry templates. Click New Template at the bottom of that menu to open the template editor, where you'll design the structure for recurring entries. In the title field at the top, type recurring to name your template so you can identify it later. Click the New button again to reopen the Templates menu, which now shows your newly created recurring template listed. Click the three-dot menu button next to your recurring template to open the Template Options menu. Select Duplicate Every from that menu, which opens a panel showing cadence options. You can choose day, week, month, or year, depending on how often you need entries created. For this example, I'm selecting Day, which opens an Edit Cadence panel where you can set the specific time and frequency for duplication. Click the Day drop-down at the top of the panel to see the frequency options. You can set it to duplicate every 1, 2, 3, or more days based on your workflow needs. Scroll down, and for this example, I'm selecting around midnight as the duplication time, which ensures new entries appear at the start of each day. Click the Save button at the bottom right to save your recurring template. And now, every time you create a new entry using this template, Notion will automatically duplicate it on your chosen schedule. If you need to change the recurrent schedule later, just open the Templates menu again, click the three-dot menu next to your template, and select Edit Cadence. You can pause the automation at any time by clicking the same menu and choosing Turn Off Automation. Keep in mind that recurring templates work on database entries, not standalone pages, so you'll need to set this up within a database. This is perfect for daily check-ins, weekly reports, or monthly reviews. And that's how to automate recurring tasks in Notion. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.